If you're looking to take a step away from the old school lead acid batteries, then you'll definitely want to check out this lithium battery that the brand sent over and compensated us for this video. For starters, it's really lightweight, just over like 3 pounds, but it still somehow packs more power, like 3 times the cranking current and up to 2,500 charge cycles. One thing we love was pretty cool is the smart sleep mode. So my dad took out the old battery, we put this new one in, and we realized that it wasn't working at first, and it was because we had to push the button because it automatically puts itself to sleep when you're not using it. So you're not left with a dead battery when it's time to mow. Plus, it has a built-in battery management system that protects against overcharging, overheating, and even freezing. And it's waterproof and shock resistant, which is always a bonus for outdoor type stuff. My dad absolutely loves that it works with brands like Craftsman, John Deere, Husqvarna, Toro, so chances are it'll work with whatever you're using. My dad said it definitely seems like a solid upgrade if you're tired of hauling around those heavy batteries. We love it, we hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.